Well, there's the bottom of the fenders. Painted black. And I got some overspray, so I'm going to give it a second coat of International Harvester white. Which means I might not have enough for the hood. Well, I'm only going to paint the outside of the hood white. I forget what I'm going to do for the inside, or I don't know yet. But I started sanding it, as you can see. And my camera is white already. There you go. There you go. Yeah, a big smudge on the screen. Let's fix that. Oh, look. Nope, just the out. Camera's completely white. Camera's completely white. Get that all. There we go. Now it looks like a work camera. Just wipe that little finger off. Okay. But I get a sand in here, so I'm gonna get some junk. Ooh, wait, this will work. Yeah, this will work. This is the right grit. Okay, so oops, I dropped it. Ouch! Oh, clean Kubota. Ooh, and we painted the brush guard. Cool. All right, let's go to work. Hold on, I gotta position the camera here. Oh, you can't see there. Hold on. There we go. Okay, dokie. Sanding. This is like, I don't know what grit, but Dad told me to use it for spots I couldn't get with the air powered sander. But all you really gotta do is just take the shine off the old paint. You don't really have to expose bare metal. Like I accidentally did there. And up here. Oh, I just skipped one. I need to turn the radio on. And YouTube, it's what the radio is playing. So you can't get me for copyright infringement. Oh wait, yeah you could, but I'm not recording it just because I want to. Or just for like to listen to it later because I'm cheap. I'm just whatever's on the radio. But yeah, hold on. Sand this a little bit. I think I need a new sticker, which I found out it's hard to find because I can't find it anywhere. Well, actually, I looked on eBay, so that's pretty much anywhere. Just hold on a minute, guys. There we go. I think it's recording. Let me check. It's all good. Okay. Yeah, it's a good song. It's just ending now. Why don't we just dance by Josh Turner?
Your number one for country and fun. Big country. Josh Turner, why don't we just dance?
See?
I'm Chad. And Claire the Cash Cow is a-mooing. Our latest...
Claire the Cash Cow? What the hell is
I
that?
hope I said that right. Of Sunbury.
Oh, here's your,
His guess was $400.
keep it from tipping over like
this.
That
was too high.
Have alternator spongy quartered
Claire,
the hood. So that way it fall.
It's
working. Not going anywhere.
Guess how much moolah is in the cow. If you get it, you get the money. And also be eligible to win a spa from strong pools and spas and details online about the Big Country Cash Cow on let's
blow some
trailer acquired more up next with Big Country.
blower.
Always look both ways before you cross the
My
street.
girlfriend. Just kidding.
You should check with your doctor before you start any exercise program. Sure, that's common sense. If you're an adult, make sure you get a tetanus vaccine.
Seriously? Who knew?
You should get the measles vaccine even if you're an adult.
Adults? Kidding me?
Need the varicella.
I should have saw that coming. Oh well.
Beta prostate is a natural supplement that helps your body support
Beta prostate. Woohoo! That's what I need.
intimacy. Beta
Oh yeah.
sterols shown to support healthy urine flow.
Come on. There we go. Ouch.
You only pay shipping and handling.
Yeah, I need to find a new sticker.
Free model of Beta
This one's a little
prostate.
pooched.
Call 1-800-922-4067.
I'm just gonna actually take it off right now. So hold on a minute.
This offer is for one free model per
What do you think of that? That's pretty damn cool. I might keep it that way. But it looks weird without the sticker there. But there it is. I gotta clean that up. But, mistaken identity. We have an identity crisis. Oh. Come on. There it goes. But it's a Bolens. So now I gotta stay in the front. Okay, well, I'm done. I just got, see all the paint flakes down there? It's peeling off old paint. Got the whole outside sanded. And, gonna do the inside here tomorrow. I still haven't figured out a mount for that. Still have to trim the frame a little bit. And, figure it out exactly. Looks like in there. Yeah, pretty much. I need to slide that way a little bit, but otherwise it's good. Yeah, the rear definitely needs to slide over that way quite a bit, or a little bit, but cut the frame a little on both sides, trim it down, like down here, and yeah, on both sides, you know what I mean. But that's it for tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely repaint the outside, but I might have to get more paint, which is no big deal, but yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day, and look forward to 200 videos, which is in 3 videos away. So I might achieve that this week, might not. I already got 3 down. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.